Welcome to Controls Explorer. This video we will show you how do you create a numeric data entry display. That is the numeric display where you can enter the data. For example, a motor speed reference. Now over here we are using this data entry to adjust a timer preset. We have a Allen Bradley HMI panel view plus 7 and software factory TalkView Studio. So let's begin here. First, select the screen, next objects, numeric and string, numeric input enable. So this is where we are placing it. Now the connection, we will assign the tag right over here. So look for your tag. If needed, refresh the folder. So now the tag is selected. Next, we are going to do the display part of it. So select insert variable, numeric. Once again, this tag, whatever you select, that will be displayed in the HMI. Hit OK. Now you can adjust the range of your numeric data entry, say 0 to 100, 0 to 50, whatever is applicable. So that is the input data range. Save the project. Now let's look into the PLC code. This is what we are going to see here. We are actually writing to this timer preset, motor restart timer, by another instruction right over here, HMI timer preset entry second. That is the data we are receiving from the HMI, and we are multiplying it by 1000. So the timer preset comes as a millisecond. Like if you enter 5, it will be a 5000 millisecond. Let's run the HMI application now directly from the computer. Here is the run instruction. Alright, so motor restart HMI is running. This is reading 8 in the HMI. 5 to 15 is the input range. Now let's enter 12 and see in the PLC code it became 12,000 as we are multiplying by 1000 somewhere in the code. Let's enter 6, so it becomes 6,000. That is how we are communicating to the PLC. Let's add a big number, 25. It cannot take it because 15 is the upper range. So this is where we are multiplying, as I explained earlier. Tag in the source A, that is HMI timer preset entry second, that is nothing but the HMI tag. HMI is writing to this tag. Now the multiplication block by source B, multiplying it by 1000, and next it goes to the timer preset. Just to refresh once again, the timer tag .pre, that is actually the preset, or timer tag .acc, that is a timer accumulator. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact us. Tech support at controls-explorer.com, and we'll be more than happy to work with you. Once again, thank you so much, and bye now.